We are going to cook chapati, and we are going to show you a different method apart from which the ones you are seeing online. So this is wheat flour. You can see this is wheat flour. So we have started with milk, and also this is a blue band. We are mixing blue band together with milk. Still drying another one. What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. My name is Dash Lifestyle. If you are seeing me for the first time, kindly remember to subscribe, like, share and also comment. Today it is another episode. Today we are going to cook, and also we are going to cook chapati, and we are going to show you a different method apart from which the ones you are seeing online. So today we are going to use another different method. So right here you can see this is our ingredients. This is the milk. So this is the milk. Also we have this one, it is flour, wheat flour. You can see this is a wheat flour. Here we are using ajab. This is ajab home, let me read for you, home baking flour. And also we have here blue band. This is a blue band. And also over there this is a sugar, this is the oil. So we have started with milk, and also this is a blue band. Oh. So we are mixing blue band together with milk. So we are stirring it until it mixes. And then this is sugar. Oh. And then that one, it is salt. Yeah, adding also salt. And then here we have our wheat flour. This is a 1 kg, 2 kg wheat flour. Still it is a wheat flour. Now it's the time to mix it. This is how they mix the wheat flour together with milk, also blue band, and sugar and salt. So that's milk, but some people they use water, but here we are using milk. So this is oil. We are adding oil in the process of mixing. So this oil, it will make our chapati not to be hard. Even when our chapati, it will sleep for a day, when you will take it the next day, it will not be hard. So this is the work of the oil, cooking oil. So guys, this one it is ready. You can see how it looks like. Everything it has already mixed, and it is ready to slice it. So this is our wheat flour. Right now we want to make it in a small slice before rolling. So this is how it is done. Slicing using a knife like this. So this is, when you see this one, this is one chapati. But this one it will be big. Yeah, that's how they roll it. You can see here we have our pan, frying pan in the jiko. Yeah, this is the fire, the jiko. These are 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are 4 chapatis. Want to see how many kg it will make one chapati? 1 kg of flour, wheat flour. It will make how many chapati? Okay, so these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 in numbers. So tunahesabu. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 23. 23 pieces. So that's 23 chapati. So we have started to roll one. So this is where they usually say you are spinning. You are spinning chapati. Rolling another one, but the first step you are not using cooking oil. So hivi ni unakausha kwanza. So you want it to dry. We are drying it without oil. Oh, the one. So guys, right now we have using cooking oil. This is our cooking oil, but this one is different with the one we used to mix it when we were mixing. So this is how, wow, you can see real chapati. That is the spinning. When she's doing like that, it is called spinning. That's how they usually say we are spinning chapati. That one, it is ready. Oh, so those ones are ready. So we want to do another one.
Nani ananitia mtoto wangu mama?
These ones are ready. It's ready. Added there. So we have remained with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Around halfway. Still rolling, but we are about to finish. So guys, that's how we cook chapati here in Africa. I hope you have learned something about our cooking, but we have not yet finished. We have remained with some few to finish, but the process, it is the same with the ones that we have already shown you. So you can use that method to try and cook your chapati, and also in the comment section you can tell us, or you can comment down below if you have used the same method, how's the chapati tasting. But from the looks of things, you can see our chapati, it is very, very good. Let me just show you from this one they are ready. You can see how to open this one. This one, you can see from the look, our chapati, it is very nice, very sweet. When I know you, it is really smelling very well, a nice smell. So we have to cover it so that the, how do you call, it cannot dry up. So that's our chapati. See you on my next video. Kindly subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Like, share, and also comment. Remember to give this video a like kindly, so that I can be recommended to most people. So thank you so much for watching till this end. Bye bye.